To apply tempered glass on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first of all, I will highly recommend you to switch off your phone. You will have to actually grab this wipes. If you didn't receive actually wet and the dry wipes, then you can use, for example, the paper towel. So right now you have to start with this wipe, the wet one actually, and you will have to actually remove everything that you have on your screen, like the greasy marks, the fingerprints, and any mess. So let's start by this simple process. Try to reach every corner, basically every place of your screen to clean this properly, because if something stays on the screen, then you will get air bubbles, but we want to avoid this, right? Okay, and that's how the screen looks when you finish with the wet cleaning. So now we have to grab this dry and basically do the same and remove everything after this wet cleaning. So all of this wet marks. Okay, and as you can see, that's how the screen looks. As you can see, I've got already a few scratches, but this is not the pieces of the dust or something else. So when you clean your screen, you will have to grab this tempered glass and remove this sticker like that, gently with your 2 fingers. And now I just can find something, so I will have to remove it before applying. Okay, and just keep holding your tempered glass with your 2 fingers and start with applying from the top part of the screen. Try to do this correctly for the left and the right side. Do this slowly, just keep holding at the bottom and start putting it properly. So I believe that I will have to put it like that to don't cover my selfie camera. And when you finish, just click and hold with your finger here and put the bottom part of the glass. And now take a look. It goes almost automatically. Take a look. You can just slide with your finger all the way down to remove air out of the glass. And now, as you can see, I just put it not correctly, so I will have to actually take it off. If you did the same, you will have to put it a little bit into the right side. Take a look, I just put it on the frame, and this is the reason why I cannot actually remove this air. So just simply use your fingernail and put it underneath this glass and try to gently take it off. And now just try to change it. Okay, I hope that right now everything will be fine. There we go. And as you can see right now, it is fine. So all you have to do is just to grab this and remove everything. Like probably you will get some glue marks under this glass. And now as you can see, it is finished. So take a look how it looks. Okay, it's actually hard to catch focus right here, but I'm gonna try to do this like that. Okay. So that's how you can properly install this tempered glass. Thanks for watching.